Class, okay class. Today we're going to learn math. Class is D. Where's one by one? Oh no, it's 100. Incorrect. I don't get the grimacing. Don't buy the grimacing. It's going to kill you. Okay. Oh, what should I do? I got an idea. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Actually, me too. And you too, Casey? No. And you too, class guilty? I just used the bathroom. Children's not common test. Okay, let's go. Hey, teacher. What? Can I use the bathroom with so? Okay, you can go. Okay, time to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. I would agree with you. Yeah, there is the fire. Wait, why didn't it work? I guess I mean another fire alarm. Yes, there is another fire alarm. Wait, it's right here. Fire alarm. Oh no, that's one. I'll take. Oh no, doesn't work. It's okay. I will do it by myself. I'm gonna pull it down. I'm fine. I can because it's obvious looking at me. Oh, that's right, so. Oh no! There is the fire! Let's get out of here! No! Oh, yes, we did it. You're right. The fire alarm. There is no fire in it. It's funny. Ha ha ha. Who did this? Oh, the police coming. I'm Hamburger.
Oh. Class D, how dare you pull the fire alarm incorrectly? That's it. Class D, I'm going to take you to the jail and call the jail. I'll cover you parents. Go home right now.
No.
Principal Shane was suspended for 1 billion years, and you get out to the cell for 1 billion years. Now, surely can you grab pen and say you grab it, 1.999 billion, making 99999 billion years. You will stay right here. You will point the fire now.
Finally now. So with Class D.